Celebrate love with a DIY mini album. You can find the printable project sheet for this on our website at g45papers.com. But we love a DIY album, and this one is perfect for your smaller projects. So this would be a great wedding gift, a great anniversary present. And in the project sheet, you'll learn how to make these fun envelope pages where you can store lots of photos and photo mats, memorabilia, as well as these fun belly band pages. So the belly band slides off. You've got a pocket here, another great photo mat over here, but this opens up into this big spread here. So lots of places to add in all of your special touches, a great photo mat, and some great uses of those products. This was designed for us by Christine Woods, and you can see she has done just an amazing job really utilizing our PS I Love You papers. You can pick up this bundle on our website at g45papers.com, or you can always just create this with the papers that you have on hand or with your favorite Graphic 45 collection, of course. So we love this. It's not overly complicated, but still lots of papers and a space in here to personalize. So there you have it. Some more little text spots. So gorgeous and so fun. Thanks for joining us, and as always, happy paper crafting.